Good evening, everyone. I'm First Alert meteorologist Jacob Morris, tracking the excessive heat and humidity that we're seeing this weekend. You're taking a live look over the Talcott Mountain Science Center. Very hot and hazy evening out there across the state. And the main story is the dew point. The dew point really gives a measure of how it feels out there, since it's an absolute measure of the amount of moisture in the atmosphere. Dew point right now across Connecticut, 76 degrees. That's well into the oppressive category on our dew point scale, making it feel very tropical and muggy if you're stepping out the door this evening. Excessive heat warning is still in place across Connecticut. That lasts throughout the day tomorrow, but it's not just us in Connecticut that's seeing the excessive heat and humidity this weekend. A lot of areas along the Atlantic seaboard, as well as into the middle part of the country, are seeing the excessive heat throughout this weekend and having to deal with it. And that's because a ridge of high pressure is across most of the country, keeping the jet stream to our north, allowing for temperatures to be well above their average for this time of year. But much needed relief from the heat is coming next week as the jet stream dips south, allowing for some cooler temperatures to filter into the eastern half of the country. And along with these cooler temperatures comes our next chance for some rain. This comes on the second half of the day on Monday and into Tuesday as an area of low pressure passes right over Connecticut, providing us with some periods of rain and some thunderstorms for the Tuesday morning commute. This area of low pressure moves offshore and the cold front swings through Connecticut, allowing temperatures to drop off pretty significantly for the middle and end of next week. And we can see this in our exclusive First Alert 10-day forecast. Temperatures drop off into the middle to lower 80s heading into next week. We see that chance of showers and thunderstorms Monday night into Tuesday morning, and rainfall amounts on Tuesday could be fairly high across Connecticut. This is one of our computer models suggesting that rainfall amounts could be upwards of 1.5 inches to 2 inches across Connecticut, providing some much needed rain since the first half of July has been fairly dry across Connecticut. As we head into the second half of next week, slight risk for some showers and thunderstorms on Thursday, but then we dry out for next weekend with high temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. Inland along the shoreline, temperatures will be in the mid to lower 80s for the first half of next week, with those periods of rain Monday night into Tuesday. And then for the second half of next week, temperatures will be in the low to mid 80s.